Okay, so the next project I'm going to be working on is stringing up these tomatoes because normally I wouldn't do it quite yet, but we've had so much wind and rain that, see how bent they're getting? And as they get taller, if we get more rain, it's just going to be a problem. So, okay, so this is what the process is going to look like. We're going to take a string, it's going to go through the top of the gazebo like that, and it's going to come down back behind the tomatoes, and it's going to get looped through the handle here. So on this first one, it's going to, hello, hi, on the first one it's just going to be a knot, and then on the others it's just going to loop through. And hopefully I have enough rope. For some reason every year I feel like I have to get like an extra little bit of rope, right, Dex? And I'll probably be pruning these off as I go, just pinching off anything below the fruit. And it looks like we already have 2 leaders on here, so I probably won't let another leader grow on this one for a bit. So this is in my way though. We'll pull that off. Right, Dex? So this is what we're gonna be doing. All right. And now for the fun part. Untangling. Hopefully it looks pretty good. It looks pretty much untangled. And I don't know if you remember, I'm gonna have to put in a clip from 2 years ago when Dexter was a puppy, and I was doing this and he was like attacking and was playing with it like a kitty cat. Yeah, you were. And I was screaming at you. And he was getting it all tangled. Whoop. Can I have my twine back? Can I have my twine back? Can I get it back? Where did you go with it? You got it here? Come on. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Thank you. Thank you. Let's go. Come on. Nope. Come on. Hey. Let go. Come on. You gotta untwine it. You got it all tangled up. Okay, come on. Nope. Nope. You're all twisted up. You stinker. You stinker. So this is fairly tedious, and oh no, we got a knot going up. That's unfortunate. We have to shake it loose. Yeah, I have to loosen that up. All right. Who knew gardening would spend so much time untangling things? From the peas that I just untangled to this. Oh my goodness. Okay. But you know what? This is real life. This is unedited. Action-packed. Detangling. There's got to be like a detangling channel out there somewhere. And people are like, oh, that's so satisfying. No? Just me? Oh. Intruder, intruder. Haha. Da, da, da. All right, and then don't be like me and get your rope all tangled up on your tomato plants. That's not good. That's not good. All right. Don't be like me. Okay, and then we want that nice end taut. And there we go. All right. And now I have this huge long string that I have to then feed through that loopy-doop. Yeah, I'm sure there are better methods. And I probably could just cut it and then just keep tying it, but that just seems like a pain in the butt too. It might be faster now, but at the end of the season to untie it, and then this way I can use the same ropes over and over, right? So, okay, I'm gonna come in here and I'm gonna prune back. Hey, Toto. And okay, I'm not seeing any fruit set on this one yet, so I'm not going to go up too much higher. Okay, and then I'm going to come through. Okay, so hopefully you can see this. I know there's a lot of leaves in the way. I'm going to come through this one, and I'm not going to go straight back up on this. I'm going to go over to this one as well. I'm going to do it 2 in 1 each time, and that's going to save me a lot of rope because they only need 1 rope to go up. Okay, so this is the process. Sorry, I'm not going to be wrapping the tomatoes on quite yet because I want to make sure it's nice and tight before I do that. I don't want to damage it. Now this tomato plant, you can see it got knocked down by the rain and also someone pressure washing it. We won't mention who that was. Okay, so look at that. That's a really nice, these could easily be used as other starts, which I'm tempted to just stick them in soil somewhere. Maybe we will do that. And of course not label it, so we will never remember what they are. That's a weird branch coming off of there. We're going to take this one off as well. Okay, and then that's going to look so much better. All right, and then back to the top. And we're going to throw back over the top. Like this. And it's easier with 2 hands. I'm not holding the camera. Okay, and then we're going to just pull it nice and neatly all the way back down. And I'm going to continue doing exactly what I just did on all 12. And here we have it. And I feel like the rain's coming again soon. So the tomatoes are all strung up. I got them all wrapped nicely around their cords. And yep, the rain is starting, so I got all my work done. I did a bunch of weeding, I transplanted some stuff, I got this all done. It's been a very, very productive day, and we're gonna go inside and have lunch now. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.